Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to download AppCake. So the first thing you want to do is click the link below, go down to where it says install AppCake. Now if this doesn't work for you, go to settings, click on your Wi-Fi, and then click the icon and go down to proxy and click automatic and type this in pffapple.com and then click save. Now go back to the link and install, and it should work. As you can see, installing. Now, if you click it, this pops up. Now what you need to do is go back to settings, go to general, and then go to, wait for it to load up. Right here. Click on device management, click on that, and then trust. Now, go back, open the app, and then verify, allow, and close. Now go back to the app, and it says verification, right? So go back to the settings, right? Go to device management again, and then verification, and then install. Put in your password, install, and it should be working. Okay, now you can download any paid app. You can download anything actually. They have GTA, Minecraft, whatever you want. So I'll just show you. Let's say I want Minecraft, right? I'll download it. See, it's downloaded. If I go to my download, and you should see it downloading. So just wait for it to download. Now let's open up Minecraft. Like and comment if you need any help. And yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe.